Here are the headlines moving markets today. Canopy Growth Corporation and Acreage Holdings announced that they have entered into a definitive arrangement agreement that grants Canopy Growth the right to acquire 100% of the shares of Acreage. Following the approval of Canopy Growth and Acreage shareholders, as well as the Supreme Court of British Columbia, Acreage holders will receive an immediate aggregate total payment of $300 million or approximately $2.55 US per Acreage subordinate voting share. In addition, holders of subordinate voting shares of Acreage will receive 0.5818 of a common share of Canopy Growth. The total consideration payable is valued at approximately $3.4 billion on a fully diluted basis, representing a premium of 41.7% over the 30-day volume-weighted average price of the Acreage subordinate voting shares on the Canadian Securities Exchange ending on April 16, 2019. The companies will also execute a licensing agreement granting Acreage access to Canopy Growth's award-winning lineup of brands such as Tweed and Tokyo Smoke, along with other intellectual property. Once the right is exercised, Acreage will become part of a leading global cannabis company with access to markets beyond the U.S. Chemistree Technology Inc. provided shareholders with an update on the company's Washington state assets and its Desert Hot Springs, California cultivation facility development. Chemistree has received reports from its Washington state licensee partner that further advancements have been made in crucial areas of its cultivation facility, including the appointment of a new head cultivator, the hiring of a full-time general manager, upgrading of grow lights expected to improve crop yields by over 20%, 25% expansion of the retail points of sale offering sugar leaf products, an increase to product SKUs by 20%, and Chemistree is also actively advancing its 9.55-acre Desert Hot Springs land package. They are finalizing plans for two 64,000 square foot greenhouses and 40,000 square foot manufacturing and distribution facility. Aurora Cannabis has confirmed that the public appeal process related to the German cannabis production tender has been completed. Aurora's contract with the German Federal Institute for Drugs and Medical Device has now been finalized. The approval will allow Aurora to begin construction of a new indoor cannabis production facility in Luna, Germany in May 2019, and the company anticipates completion within 12 months of groundbreaking. Initial shipments of locally grown cannabis are expected to become available to German medical patients starting in October 2020, with the new facility producing a minimum of 4,000 kilograms over a 4-year period to be expanded over time as regulations permit. Acreage Holdings announced that its subsidiary, High Street Capital Partners LLC, entered into an agreement to acquire 100% of Deep Roots Medical LLC. Deep Roots Medical is a vertically integrated cannabis operator in Nevada and was purchased in a total deal value of $120 million to be paid in common units and cash. PharmaCielo Ltd. announced a net loss of $24.4 million for the 12-month year ending on December 31, 2018. The company had a basic loss per share of 31 cents during this period. iAnthus Capital Holdings Inc. is launching the sale of smokable flower and pre-roll joints in Florida through their Grow Healthy Florida dispensary brand. The flower sales will commence on Saturday, April 20th, commonly known as the Cannabis Holiday 420. And that's your news for today.